Hi all, this is Dr. Sage Breslin and this is Wisdom Wednesdays. You know, sometimes there are just days where you just don't want to get out of bed. Sometimes it's, because you're under the weather. Sometimes it's because you haven't had enough sleep. Sometimes it's because you played so hard you deserve the day to recuperate. And sometimes it's because you've worked your ass off so hard trying to make sure that your efforts and your performance are beyond reproach and over the moon because you worry about being underappreciated, underacknowledged. You want to make sure you've done enough, been enough. But you know what? You're perfect just the way you are. You don't need to do and do and do and do and exhaust yourself. It's really okay to rest. It's okay to take time for yourself, to engage in radical self-care. You are enough. So, what would it be like if you could just stop doing and doing and doing and just be? What would you enjoy more? This is Dr. Sage Breslin, and this is Wisdom Wednesdays.